Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about approximation and derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. Suppose that y is a function of s and y equals to negative number 3 when s equals to number 1. Assume further that first derivative of the function at s equals to number 1, we have negative number 2. If h is close enough to 0, then the approximate value of y when s equal to number 1 plus h. So I will show you how to answer. Now let's suppose this is about the function. And we have the value of s equals to number 1 in here for this location. But we want to find the value in here. So we have s equal to 1 plus h. To do about this one, we can use about the tangent. Because the tangent, they can get the closer the value in here. To do about the tangent in here, we have the formula. We need to find the tangent at the point s equals to number 1. So we know that we have this one in here and this one in here. When s equals to number 1, first derivative of y, you got about negative number 2. When s equal to number 1, so we put number 1 go in here. This one, y0, we have negative number 3. And now we have y equals to negative number 2 multiplied by s minus 1. And we have negative number 3. So negative number 2 multiplied by s and negative number 1. This one we have negative number 2s, negative number 1. Now, after we got about this one, we can put about 1 plus h go in here. So, we simplify. Negative number 2, negative number 1, we have negative number 3. And this is the final answer. So we need to choose about C. This is the end. Thank you for watching.